Home Remedies presents
How to remove the plaque from teeth in just 4 minutes. No need to go to the dentist. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will put forward some amazing remedies to remove plaque from your teeth. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Dental treatments can be extremely expensive and removing plaque is only one of them. Luckily in today's video I will share with you 3 most common ways to removing plaque, whitening your teeth and improving your oral health in general. Strawberries. Some special compounds present in strawberries can easily remove plaque from your teeth. To remove the plaque from your teeth, just rub a strawberry cut in half on your teeth every day for 7 minutes. Parsley leaves. Finely chop several parsley leaves, then apply them on your teeth. Leave to act for 5 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. You will acquire optimal results only if you repeat this process every day. Homemade anti-plaque remedy. Here I am suggesting you an anti-plaque homemade mixture. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of sparkling water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, 1 tablespoon of water. Preparation and use. It is very simple to prepare. All you have to do is put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them together until you get a paste. Once prepared, brush your teeth with the paste for 4 minutes. To get rid of plaque faster, you need to repeat the treatment once in a week, and you will notice a great difference very soon. Your teeth will be white and sparkly and without plaque.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.